Giggles and grapes.
Hey juniors, can you guess the characters of Paw Patrol? You have got 5 seconds each. Level 1. Good luck. This is Zuma. This is Marshal. This is Ryder. This is Alex Porter. This is Chase. This is Sweetie. This is Rubble. This is Everest. Level up. It's about to get tough now. You can do it. Level 2. Come on kids, here we go. This is Tracker. This is Jake. This is Rocky. This is Farmer Yumir. This is Mr. Porter. This is Sky. This is it, your last chance to score. Level 3. Let's see how many can you guess. This is Daring Danny. This is Francois Turbot. This is Cap and Turbot. This is Katie. This is Carlos. Challenge your friends and share it with them. Play more. Score more. Stay tuned for more.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.